Are you craving an upgrade in your car audio system? Look no further. Let's dive into the powerhouse that is the Pyle PH391 4x10 horn tweeter speaker. First things first, power. With a whopping 200 watts of peak power output, this tweeter is ready to blast your favorite tunes with style. Whether you're cruising down the highway or parked at a scenic spot, you can crank up the volume and enjoy crystal clear sound. But power isn't the only thing this tweeter has to offer. Its frequency response of 1 kHz to 15 kHz ensures that you get full-range stereo sound reproduction, completing your car woofer enclosure system with finesse. Say goodbye to muddled audio and hello to clarity. Now, let's talk about impedance. At 8 ohms, this tweeter compensates for the undersized wire often found in car stereo systems, reducing distortion and delivering crisp, clear sound. Plus, with 102 dBWM sensitivity, you'll never miss a beat. Installation is a breeze thanks to the 25mm voice coil and heavy-duty housing with a 20-ounce magnet structure. Simply slot it into your vehicle's sound system and prepare to be amazed. In conclusion, the Pyle PH391 4x10 horn tweeter speaker is a game-changer for car audio enthusiasts. With its power, clarity, and ease of installation, it's a must-have for anyone looking to take their sound system to the next level. So why wait? Upgrade your ride today and experience audio excellence like never before. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.